Very simple, and this is actually a requested video. Hey guys, welcome to this week's Fab in 5. So today I'm going to be doing a quick little tutorial of this eye look that I have going on here. It's a very simple eye with a smoked out winged liner and some lashes. Very simple, and this is actually a requested video as I did have this look in my January Faves and Flops. So I had a couple people comment asking for a tutorial on the eye look, and here it is. So if you're interested in learning how to create this eye look here, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to prime my eyes using the Milani eyeshadow primer, and then I'm just going to use my beauty blender to smooth that out and pick up any excess product. Going into the Scott Barnes eyeshadow palette. So I'm going into Slip Dress, and this is a matte cream shade. This is just to set down the eyeshadow primer and create a more even base. Now I'm going into the shade Go See. It is a more taupey brown, and I'm just going to apply that all within the crease to create a little bit more structure and contour the eye a little bit more. And now I'm just mixing Go See with Slip Dress to create kind of an in-between to help soften that edge and buff that out so there's a soft blend. Now what I'm going to do is take Superstar, which is a beautiful champagne, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid, and then I'm going to wet it on a brush, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner to make it a little bit more bright and make the inner corner pop some more. I'm also going to apply the excess on my brush to the brow bone. Now what I'm going to do is take the shade Iconic, which is a matte brown, and I'm going to use that to create a winged shape. I'm going to start at the lash line, going to about halfway in the eye, and as I go towards the inside of the eye, it's going to get thinner and softer, and then as it wings out, I'm going to just buff that edge a little bit with the same brush just to create a very softened wing. Then I'm going to take my Rare Beauty liquid liner. I'm going to make a line from the inner corner, keeping it pretty thin, and then making it thicker as it goes towards the center of the eye, and then as it goes to the outer part of the eye, I'm going to make it thin again. Now I'm going to take the shade Last Looks, which is a black matte eyeshadow, and I'm going to start to buff the edge of the black liquid liner so that it looks like it softly transitions into the brown. I also took the Maybelline Tattoo Eye Studio Gel Pencil Liner in Bold Brown, and I did apply it to the upper waterline. I like to apply mascara before my lashes so that I don't have to apply mascara onto the actual falsies to keep them more clean, but I do like to still apply mascara because then it will mesh better and blend better into the false lashes. Now I'm going in with my Velour Lash and Go adhesive and liner, and I'm just going over top of the line that I created with the Rare Beauty, but not quite as thick. And I'm now going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex Faux Mink falsies in Natural Flirt. These are not the same lashes I used the day that I had this look in the January Faves and Flops, but these are my favorite right now. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these on top of that velour liner before it completely dries. Take my liquid liner by Rare Beauty again and just go over top in the center of the eye so that it really blends the lash band in. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.